Hi, today I'm going to show you how to apply the ponytail system. It's super easy. As long as you have a back mirror, you can apply it yourself, and you can also do other styles with it. You can do braids with it, you could do side braid, you can do updos. It's very versatile. One thing you can do and get away with color is if your hair shade is off and you want to do a braid style, it'll blend really nice. It can take at least up to 10 minutes to apply yourself or with the hairstylist. To apply it, you're going to need obviously your ponytail system. A tail comb would be great. You're going to need some small rubber bands, a rubber band, and a bristle brush. And you want to comb out your client's hair. Make sure there's no knots. And then you're going to proceed to put the hair up. And you're going to guess about where you would like to place your ponytail. And then you're going to grab your tail comb and you're going to take down your drop hair. And you want to go around the whole entire perimeter. Once you have all your drop hair down, you're going to proceed to comb out your ponytail, that small ponytail inside that's going to secure the system in place. And you're going to grab your little rubber band. Then you're going to grab your first piece and clip it in. Then you're going to grab your second piece and comb it right underneath here. And snap it in. Oh my God, this is so hard. There we go. Then you're going to go around and pick up all of your drop hair with your bristle brush. I recommend using a bristle brush because it goes over the ponytail system nice and smoothly without pulling it. This is an easy way to achieve a ponytail in under 10 minutes.